Hi everyone, what I'm going to show you today is how to replace this Ford Fusion 2017, 18, 19, 20 key fob battery. The battery you will need is a CR2450. CR2450, you can click on the link below to get it online. Alright, let's do it. So first thing we do, we take the emergency key by pressing this button right here. The emergency key out, okay? Second thing, see this space right here? Right here. So what you do, you push the key and then pull it up. Okay, once again. It's pretty easy, not too much pressure. Right here, this spot, press the key and you pull up. Okay, now that it's open, all we have to do is gently pull the cover. Okay, let's do it again, not too much pressure, okay, not to break the cover. Once again, push, we pull up. Okay, do it also with the key, either or. Now we have the key fob open, as you can see, 2450. Now there is a spot right here. Okay, I've done this a few times already. You see this spot right here? I'll try to, right here. So we take a small flathead screwdriver and we take the battery out. Okay, now here is what you shouldn't do. Okay, let me just put it back in. This is what you shouldn't do. Don't try to pull these two holders right here. Do not do that. Okay, there is a spot for the screwdriver or whatever else you can get to take the battery out. Okay, as I said, 2450. Click on the link below to get it online. Basically now this is a good battery, so I will use it. All you have to do, simply gently put the battery back in, press, put the cover back, the emergency key back, and you're good to go. No need to reprogram or anything like that. You're good to go. Let us know what you think. Thank you.